we're gonna go to the pony rides. It's gonna be baby girl's first time going there, and he's already at the age where he could go to the big horse, but I don't know if the big horse is there today, because the big horses aren't always there. So we'll see if he has any luck on going on the big horse. And look at the fucking line, guys. It's never full. Like, every time we've gone here, it's always been empty. I hope you don't get scared, because you're such a scary cat. Look at this line. And then this is the one that goes around. What happened? We have to make a line to buy tickets first. This is Ethan's first time being on the big horse, and luckily there were big horses today, and luckily they let him, like, he was like less than an inch of not making it in, but those two nice guys over there, they let him go. Where is he? Where is he at? There he is. Can't really see him because of the sun is blocking my eyesight right now. Horsies. So I didn't record when my baby girl went on, but man, she was hella scared. Did you like it?
I wish I could go again. I think your mom like went.
Look at the goat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Ahorita va a pasar, mire.
What's good, guys? So I didn't really do an introduction in the beginning of the video and everything, but yes, we ended up going to a little family trip, like something for the kids to get distracted and just have a playful and fun time. So I thought it only did happen for one of them, but I did want to say, like, I know that I dropped a couple of vlogs before, but I think it was only one vlog where I actually went outside and like filmed a bit. But this time I kind of really didn't do that because I was like nervous, like people were staring at me holding like the camera and everything, the phone, and like just recording and everything, and I just felt really weird. I got like hella anxiety. It was very nerve-wracking as well. Like I was just like, oh my god. Like, so I just basically like turned it off and went about my day, and then just basically did my own thing. So I only filmed a little bit, but I will get like better at it, just handle everything more than I did this time. So this is just a little mini vlog just to kind of show you guys what we kind of do on baby daddy's days off. It's usually all about the kids, so that's what we try to figure out, new places to go to, or not new places because we've gone there a couple of times already, but just places where I know the kids are gonna be entertained. So that was my baby girl's first time actually going to pony rides, so it was hella crazy. And the reason why I didn't record her when she was on the horse, when she was on the pony, was because I left my bag with my baby daddy, and I don't know if he had the phone or I had the phone, but either way the case was that I couldn't even record because I was literally, oh my fucking god, she was so scared. She was like hella crying, first of all because a stranger grabbed her, right, to put her on the horse. So that was number one reason why she was crying. Number two, the pony, like she was like, what am I on right now? Like, what the fuck, get me the fuck out of here. That was how she was acting. And so I was just running around the pony tracks, or the ranch. I was running around the pony tracks, let's just say that, and literally telling her, mamas, I'm here, I'm right here, look at mommy, like, hey. And she was just not having it. She was kind of tilting a little bit because she wanted to go to me. So she basically did one lap, and then the lady said if I want to take her. I'm like, yes, let me just take her, like, why torture her even more, you know? So I just took her out, and we didn't do the second lap. So I just took her and I told her, you know what, baby girl, like, look at your brother, he's gonna go on an even bigger horse, check this out. Just showing her the horses up close so she can kind of get used to it. You know what's crazy though? I remember my son going there. Damn, I don't even know how old he was. Maybe 3 or 4, around that age. And he was like kind of nervous, but very quickly he got into it because he thought it was, you know, cool and everything and fun. But he wasn't like really scared like that. He just got on and went with it. This little mama's right here, she was not having it. Why you have that control? We have brother's control. But she was not having it. She was just like screaming and crying. It was crazy, guys. So I would have recorded that, but my focus was like on her, like getting her out of there, you know, and her seeing me, that I'm right there, like I'm with you, you know, I'm around, you're not alone. So that was the case. And then after the pony rides, we basically went to go eat. Baby boy wanted to go eat in a buffet, so we went to a hometown buffet, and we basically just had lunch / dinner there. I think it was already late in the afternoon. Yeah, so basically that was like our day. And then we had to run a few errands in Target as well, which I felt like I should have vlogged that as well. But like I said, guys, it's just like I just feel like too much. Like, it's really nerve-wracking to be recording and people looking at you. So I'm slowly trying to get used to it. So I will try to get better in my next vlog. And yeah, so that was basically it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up. We just came from picking up our son from school, so That was a little kind of crazy, but remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember to help a homegirl out, and remember to do something different, try something new, and get the fuck out of your comfort zone. Like, with that being said, I hope to see you guys on the next video, and see you guys después. Bye guys.